Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by opening the Google Calendar app and signing in with the Google account you want to use. Once done, make sure sync is enabled so events appear across devices. This prevents duplicates. Grant the app calendar, contacts, and optional location permissions so invites and maps work correctly. Next, set your default calendar and preferred notification type. This first set of actions gets your account and basic app behavior ready so you can start creating reliable events immediately. You'll tap the plus button to create an event, then pick event, reminder, or task depending on the item. Fill the title and time, then use the repeat setting for daily, weekly, or custom occurrences. This saves time for regular meetings. Add a location and invite guests so Google populates maps and email invites. Choose a color and the calendar account to keep events separated. Finally, attach files or add conferencing if needed. This makes each entry actionable and shareable. You'll manage events by tapping to edit, swiping to delete, or long pressing to drag and reschedule quickly. Once done, check calendar list visibility and adjust notification rules so you only get what matters. If events aren't syncing, open account settings and force a sync. If that fails, clear the app cache or remove and re-add the Google account to reset permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the correct calendar is selected for new events, because created items go only to the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.